How to log chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at how you can easily log your WhatsApp chats. Let's just get started. Open up WhatsApp, go to the chat that you want to log. I'll just head over here, tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you should see an option for more. Tap on it. Then you'll see an option to log chat here. If you don't see it, tap on the profile icon at the top. And then right below here, you have the option for chat lock. You can lock and hide the chat on the device. So tap on this toggle, tap on continue, use your PIN or your fingerprint, and now your chat will be locked. If I go back to my inbox, as you can see, I'm not able to access my chat, and I've got this lock chat option separately on my device. So I'll just open WhatsApp again. And to access my chat, I need to go to lock chats, use my PIN, and then I can easily access the locked chats from here. That's how you lock your chats on WhatsApp. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.